He's the most heat-sensitive man in the world. The second he squeezes onto a crowded bus, he instantly sweats out 10 tons of water. The bus turns into a water park, and the furious driver throws him off on the spot. With no other choice, he shells out a ton of cash to rent a private ride. Thankfully, it has AC, and only then does the sweating finally stop. But cooking? That's a whole other nightmare. Just getting near the stove makes him pour sweat like a broken faucet. He ends up putting out the flame, and even rescues the freshly grilled fish. Fuming, the guy whips out his phone and orders 999 servings of grilled fish. But when the delivery guy shows up, he's stunned. The moment the man steps away from the fan, a tidal wave of sweat gushes out. Freaked out, the delivery guy quickly hands over the food and a peach juice. After stuffing himself, the man rushes to work to fix a client's computer. He's this close to finishing the job when a coworker swings the office door. You can guess what happens next. Yep, another computer completely destroyed. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.